Let's now talk about the effect of constant changes on data. Let's say I have a data that has a mean, which is x bar, and standard deviation, which is sigma. In the first case, I want to add any value k to my data. In the case of addition or subtraction, the mean is always affected, while the standard deviation stays the same. So in this case, my new mean, my new x bar, would be equal to x bar plus or minus the value of k, while the new standard deviation, new sigma, will be simply equal to sigma, because sigma is not affected by addition and subtraction. The second case, we'll talk about the case of multiplication and division. So, if I multiply my data by k, then when I multiply, the mean is affected and the standard deviation is affected by well. Then my new mean, my new x bar, will be equal to k times x bar, and my new standard deviation will be equal to the absolute value of k, because I don't take a negative value, times the old standard deviation. So I can understand that the standard deviation is not affected by addition and subtraction, and only affected by multiplication and division. Let's see an example. The monthly salaries of a company employees has a mean value of $2,500 and a standard deviation of $200. At the end of the year, all employees received an increase of $200. Write down the new mean and the new standard deviation. When I say increase, it means I'm adding 200. So if I'm adding 200, only the mean is affected. So now the new mean is equal to the old mean, which is 2,500 plus the new amount. So it gives me $2,700. And the new standard deviation is not affected, so it stays the same. So this is equal to, it stays the standard deviation at $200.